is the rifle here. Pretty nice. Just gonna load this bad boy up. You see in there the bullets. And you can see that the fifth one that I load in, at the top, the yellow and the grey one, you can see that when I push the fifth one, that actually gets loaded in the barrel, like that. The stock's actually nice and comfortable, nice big edges. You can see it's nicely done. You can see it's got like some DI insights. See if you can see through here. There. And yeah, this like this thing here, you can pull back and forward. Nice little here, you pull back. And you dump the bullets out afterwards. And there's not much of a mechanism in here. Like, you just pull off the iron sight and another bulbs, and you just get these out, and then this would come out. And this is like, I'm guessing like this is like the charging handle. Like this, and it just like goes like this, fits in this bit, which is missing a block, which is meant to. It goes there, and pretty much that's it. But let's go. Oh no! Where did I put this thingy? I'm joking, guys. I know what to do. And yeah, pretty much this is it about this gun. Well, if you would like to see more Lego gun creations, please leave a like on this video. Smash or shoot that like button in the butt. Not in the butt, that's a bit weird, sorry guys. Yeah, just shoot it anywhere, just shoot it or punch it. And please subscribe to join the Holy Sandwich community yeah thing. And yeah, hope you like this video, and yeah, bye.